I was playing with my phone. It was lagging. I had the Wi-Fi sign all the time. So I was so pissed that I just started to play on PC because I couldn't handle the lag.
There are various reasons why Snakethug plays on PC. And one of the reason is that on emulator you can go to the settings and make changes to it, and you would be actually seeing all the action in Brawl Stars in slow motion, or maybe way better than the other players, and you would be able to play better, obviously. And for that, all the person has to do is just simply increase the frame rate, and Brawl Stars allow till 120. Meanwhile, the other players will be playing at 60 frame rate, which is quite low. So this is how this will make a big difference in the gameplay of the different players, or the players who are playing on PC versus the players who are playing on the mobile or the iPad. Also, one can increase the quality of their gameplay by the CPU allocation, memory allocation, and the display and the graphics as well. All the control that you get while playing on PC is insane, and it significantly improves your gameplay. Also, the way a player moves using the keyboard and the mouse is completely different from the way a person moves when they are playing on the mobile device. So that's also an added advantage, and the people playing on PC get all these advantages. That's why Snakethug plays on PC. And if you also want to play on PC, just simply get BlueStacks and install it, then get Brawl Stars, and we have the videos on our channel itself that will help you out with playing Brawl Stars on your PC. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.